What if you could turn your phone into a money machine and start making your first trading profits in just 30 days? Most people think day trading is a gamble, but after helping hundreds of midlife investors build real automated income online, I can tell you, it's not about luck, it's about systems. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start day trading from scratch, avoid beginner traps, and create a process that makes your money work while you sleep. Get ready. Your 30-day transformation into a profitable crypto trader starts right now. You know, most people think trading is about being right all the time, but that's where they get it wrong. Trading isn't about perfection, it's about probability. I've seen traders with a 35% win rate still grow their accounts, simply because they understood one thing: risk versus reward. Imagine this. For every $100 you risk, you aim to make $250 when you're right. That's not luck. That's math working in your favor. Once you realize that consistency doesn't come from chasing wins, but from managing losses, everything changes. You stop trading with emotion and start trading with logic, and that's when your account and your confidence begin to grow. Before you ever think about building wealth, you need to build a process. I've seen too many people chase hot tips or copy random trading signals, hoping to get rich overnight, and it never lasts. The truth is, real traders don't gamble on guesses. They follow a repeatable system, a setup they can execute 100 times with the same discipline, the same rules, and the same level of risk. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Because when you trust your process more than your emotions, you stop predicting the market and start performing in it. That's when trading turns from chaos into a craft, and profits become a byproduct of discipline. If you want to win at trading, you have to rewire how your brain thinks about money and risk. Most beginners don't fail because they can't read charts. They fail because their mindset betrays them. In real life, we're taught to avoid risk, to fear loss, to protect what we have. But in trading, those same instincts work against you. Every trade is a probability game, not an emotional test. Once you stop needing to be right and start focusing on managing outcomes, everything changes. You'll finally understand that losing trades aren't failures, they're part of the math. The moment you think like a statistician instead of a gambler, that's when you truly gain your trading edge. Start small. That's where every great trader begins. You don't need a huge account to make real progress. Even $500 is enough to master your edge. The goal isn't to swing for home runs. It's to build confidence through consistent small wins. Once you've proven your strategy works, you can use leverage wisely, like a tool, not a weapon. With something like 50x leverage, you can control bigger positions while keeping your actual risk the same. The secret is in compounding, letting small gains stack quietly, trade after trade. Over time, that discipline turns into exponential growth. Wealth doesn't explode overnight. It builds in silence, one smart trade at a time. One of the most powerful habits you can build as a trader is tracking every single move you make. Use TradingView for charts and a simple spreadsheet to record each trade, the date, direction, and profit or loss. After 30 or 40 trades, step back and look for patterns. What do your winning trades have in common? Where do you keep slipping up? This process turns guesswork into data. By removing weak spots and refining what works, you can boost your win rate from 50% to even 65%. That tiny improvement may sound small, but it can double or triple your profits over time. Remember, success in trading isn't magic, it's measurement. If you want to last in this game, you have to stop treating trading like a casino and start treating it like a laboratory. Every trade is an experiment, a chance to test ideas, record results, and refine your approach. The best traders I know think like scientists. They study data, not emotions. They don't chase excitement, they measure outcomes. When you stop reacting to the rush of a win or the sting of a loss, and instead focus on patterns and probabilities, everything shifts. You're no longer gambling, you're engineering a system for consistent income. That's when trading stops being chaos and starts becoming your personal formula for financial freedom. When it comes to tools, simplicity always wins. You don't need 20 indicators flashing colors on your screen. You just need the right setup. Use TradingView for clear charting, and a position size calculator to manage your risk with precision. Leverage platforms like FEMX or Bybit if you want to grow a small account without overexposing yourself. What really matters isn't the software, it's how you use it. Focus on understanding price structure, key Fibonacci zones, and clean, high-probability setups. The fewer distractions you have, the better you'll see what's actually happening in the market. Remember, professionals trade clarity, amateurs trade noise. At some point, your goal as a trader should evolve. You're not here for the thrill, you're here for freedom. Real success comes when your system runs smoothly without your constant attention. Use automated alerts, AI-driven tools, and detailed journaling to create a structure that works for you even while you sleep. Imagine waking up to trades already analyzed, risks already calculated, and profits already compounding. That's the beauty of modern trading. It's no longer about chasing screens all day. It's about building a machine that earns while you live. Smart traders don't just build portfolios. They build automated income ecosystems designed for long-term wealth, peace, and time freedom. Here's the truth most traders never understand. Trading is 80% psychology, 15% math, and only 5% tools. You can have the best charts, the perfect strategy, even the right timing. But if your emotions run the show, your account won't grow. The real skill is mastering yourself, staying calm when everyone else panics, staying disciplined when greed whispers louder than reason. Once you build that emotional control and trust your system, the numbers start taking care of themselves. Your account begins to grow quietly, almost automatically, while you focus on living your life. That's when trading stops being work and starts becoming a lifestyle of freedom and balance. So here's the truth. Becoming a profitable crypto trader in 30 days isn't about luck or hype. It's about focus, mindset, and consistency. You don't need to predict the market. You need to understand yourself, build a process, and trust the math. Every trade you take is a step toward mastery, not a win or lose moment. Start small, stay disciplined, and let time do the heavy lifting. Whether you're 25 or 55, it's never too late to build an income stream that works while you sleep. If this video inspired you, hit that like, drop a comment, and subscribe, because your journey to financial freedom starts right here. Let's make next 30 days the most powerful ones of your trading life.